everyone, welcome back. Thanks for checking out my channel again. Today I'm going to be showing how I do this beautiful halo eye. I used the Colourpop Blue Moon palette to do this look. It retails about $12 at the Colourpop website. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. First I'm going in with the shade Moonlight and blending that into my crease. I'm going in with the shade Fine China on a thick packer brush and packing that into the corners of my eye. Then I like to blend it upwards into that first shade that I put down and also inwards towards the inner part of my eye. I also take that same shade and pat it on the inner corner of my eye, doing the same as I did of the outer edge corner of my eye. Slowly building up the color intensity on both the inner and outer portion of my eye, while also softly connecting the two shades that I put down. To create more depth in the outer third of my eye, I'm using the shade Clued In, just packing that on the very outer third of my eye and a tiny bit on the inner third of my eye as well. I'm using the P. Louise base. I like to use this one because it's very pigmented and creates a nice sticky layer for the shadow to go on top. Taking my clean finger, I just pat the edges of the base that I put down, and that just helps to blend it into the eyeshadow. Playing the shade Lumi all over where I placed that base. It's hard to pick up on camera, but this is a very beautiful duochrome blue to white eyeshadow. Going in with those middle tone shades, so Fine China and also Moonlight, and just blending that into the lightest color. To finish it off, I'm applying a winged eyeliner, curling my lashes, and adding mascara. To finish it off, I just added some false lashes and took a little bit of the shade Fine China and ran that under my lash line. I also took a little bit of the shade Lumi and put that on the inner corners of my eyes. This is the final look. Thanks for checking out my channel. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!